in the bathroom in my bedroom, and we are gonna do clean with me. We're gonna organize and clean out everything under my sink, all the drawers and everything. So here's the thing, I like to clean, but I'm not organized, and I've been trying to be more organized. Like, I organized my kitchen recently. I just emptied out my closet and donated a bunch of clothes, and this is like one of the last things that I need to do. And it was the last thing that I decided to do because it's the hardest. So let's go through everything. So I just throw everything underneath the sink. So this is what it looks like right over here. And then over here, the drawers, I don't even know. It doesn't even open because it's stuffed. I've got pads. Here, it's not organized. And then we'll clean up this area too. And then over here, same, you guys. Toilet paper, just random everything here. I probably have some products that I need to throw away, but I'm really excited because after I organize this, I can actually see everything underneath my sink. So let's go ahead and get started, you guys. Okay, my friends, this is a complete disaster under this sink, if you can tell. I don't know what happened, but like, I just started throwing things in there and I didn't realize all the things that I had, and I've been looking for certain things. Goodness. So the first step I am going to do is remove everything underneath that sink. I mean, I need to see it all. Oh my gosh, it took me so long to do this because of all the junk. Like, I had expired products, expired medication. I didn't realize I was hoarding pads. So the first thing I did was kind of just wipe down underneath that sink. You know that liner over there? I don't know what I was thinking. The previous owner of the house had that liner there and I never got rid of it, and I just kept it under the sink. I should have just removed it. That'll be next time I clean under the sink. So I don't have a lot of nail polishes anymore because I honestly don't do my nails as often. So that's a little box for nail polish for myself. And then I am just kind of like cleaning up the insides of that clear organizer, and I decided to just put all of my pads in one container, but I need more than one container. So here, the drawer under the kitchen sink, I bought that, I think, at the Container Store or probably Bed Bath & Beyond. It's been years, I can't remember, but I'm sure you guys can find those, and I'll try and link similar ones, if not the exact one, down below. This little box is like the shoe box from the Container Store. They're like about $1 each. And man, that's the second box of pads. I've been hoarding pads, like I mentioned, and I'm just trying to play like puzzle underneath the kitchen sink. So I put the pads on the right side, and then these are for when I have period cramps, Thermacare or the generic ones, and then those are like extra loofahs. Those are little bath bombs that Justin got me recently. And then I have one empty shoebox container for like all my hair products, and then I put soap underneath that drawer. And then over here are products that need to stand up. So they're nail polish remover, makeup remover, hairspray, hair products, shampoo, conditioner, because I have backups of shampoo and conditioner always. And then those are like my travel bags that I put like little toiletries in. And then I have a box for like my essential oils, nail polish, as well as nail products like nail clippers and just tweezers and things like that. And then this is one of the drawers underneath the bathroom sink. It is random. Like I mentioned, every drawer is gonna look like this hot mess of a drawer. I have a bunch of backup floss. That liner, I was like, oh, I'll just wipe it, and then I realized, no, I'm not gonna wipe it. I'm just gonna get rid of it, because why do I need that liner? So I just disinfected it, wiped it down real good like I always do. And then this is the second drawer. It looks exactly the same. Just everything everywhere. That's why whenever I need Tylenol or something, I don't know where it is, because I have not been doing the best at organizing. So I'm really glad that my goal for this year is to organize more, because although my house looks really clean, once you start opening certain closets and drawers, you realize I'm a hidden mess, a hidden hot mess of a person. So I'm glad that I'm not anymore. I'm actually growing as a person. Thank you, thank you. So here I'm putting everything in containers, like one that has like I don't know, like preparation H in it, and then one that has like extra razors, one that's like all about band-aids and Neosporin and thermometers, and then there's one for like having a cold, and that's the, I don't know, the Tylenol one that we bought from Costco. It's huge. Extra toothpaste and stuff for Justin. This is underneath Justin's bathroom sink. It's also a hot mess because we share. It doesn't matter whose under the sink it is, it's both ours, and I just put so much crap underneath it. So this, it felt so good. Like, I didn't realize how long it took though, but I enjoyed myself. I always listen to books when I do this. I was listening to the book Can't Hurt Me by David Goggins. I actually finished the book while I was doing this. So I listened to a new book. It's called Un-F Yourself. Like, un-F yourself pretty much, and it's a good book about like, don't feel sorry for yourself. The words that you tell yourself in your head really affects you, so like think highly of yourself, be kind to yourself when you're thinking about yourself, because it really takes over your life and how you live your life. And so I'm really enjoying that book, but I'm not even close to done yet. I probably will be done with that book in a few days, but I'm gonna put the links down below for both books because I highly recommend them. I really, man, the David Goggins book was so good. Like, he survived so many things. He was just an amazing athlete. He was in the Navy. No, he was in the SEALs. I don't know much about military. That's why I said Navy SEALs. Is that true? Navy SEALs? Yeah, but he was incredible. So I think it's always important, you guys, underneath your bathroom sink or wherever, to have a first aid kit. I mean, that's just a given, right? Like, kids get hurt, you get hurt, you're like cutting a watermelon, you accidentally cut yourself. You know, it's good to have a first aid kit. This is actually Justin's area. He keeps his contact solution, his lenses, his extra razor holders, his extra toothbrush heads there. So I'm gonna leave that there for him. And then here I'm just putting Clorox, shampoos, mouthwash, the first aid kit, another pad container. I have 3, my friends. This is called hoarding. Oh my goodness, what is wrong with me? So yeah, I'm putting all the cleaning supplies and everything, Justin's like travel dop kit, extra TP. This is the very top of our kitchen cabinet. Why do I say kitchen? Bathroom cabinet. And this is what we access every single day. So with that said, it has to be things that we use every day. I'm going ahead and wiping that down, disinfecting it really well. And I have hair ties because I tie my hair up every single day. If I'm washing my face or anything, I have to have my hair up. Those are extra razors for Justin. We have a bunch of floss because, you know, you gotta floss 2-3 times a day. I've got my retainers on that side. You guys see it? Justin's inhalers, my inhalers. Little earrings, I have a little cup for that, or a little bowl, my deodorant. And then also on that side, I didn't share it because I needed to sanitize it. We have our tongue scrapers as well. It's very important to have a tongue scraper, you guys. And then now it's time to just wipe everything down right here and to kind of like minimize the mess on the bathroom counters. So that's exactly what I'm doing, and I'm using this Caldrea scent that I love, Pear Agave. Alright friends, I'm done. Thank you so very much for watching. It took me a few hours. I started like at 8:30. It's now 1:28. I did take like a 1-hour lunch break to eat lunch. But it took me a long time to get this all organized. I threw out a lot of expired medication, expired lotions, expired anything that was expired. Like, I had a Dramamine from 2017 that was expired. Yeah, so friends, I highly recommend you guys check your under the bathroom cabinets and drawers and all that. We don't have medicine cabinets, if you guys notice. So like, a lot of the medicine, the prescriptions are like just in random drawers, but at least I have them in like containers, you know? So now I know like what I need. Like, I know this is the cold section. It has like Sudafed, Vicks, it has Pepto, it has Dayquil, NyQuil, all those things like that. And then I have like my prescriptions here, and I honestly don't need them. It was like after I had my C-section with my with my boys. And then we have this, the Debrox, which is for Liam. And then, oh, this I should probably put in the boys' bathroom. This is so cozy. It's their styling hair mousse. I'm not sure if Target sells this, but I remember getting it at Target, and also it was a PR a long time ago. That's how I heard about it, and then like I googled and figured out where to find it. It's like one of those like safe products for kids because it's non-toxic, paraben free, sulfate free, all of that stuff. But yeah, I had so much fun organizing. I didn't realize I was hoarding pads. Did you guys notice that? Did you see all the pads I had? That's a lot of pads. Anyways, friends, I'll chat with you later if you enjoy my Clean With Me videos. I have so many. I'm going to include a playlist down below in the information box. Give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed. Check me out on my vlog, April Justin TV, and on my cooking channel, Cook with April. And thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Bye.